Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually put this screen here in duplicate, extending and all that. You wanted to connect this to a second screen, but when I connect it, you haven't seen nothing come up. So you want to know whether it's depend duplicate, extended, second screen and all that. If you notice this itself is a keyboard, so the shortcut key what we have to be using right here is this key here, Win and P. So we press both of them together on the keyboard and then it will show right over here. Right, but because I'm using the on-screen one, I want to come and click right here and then I click on P, right, and then it's going to show up over here. So notice, it show up over here, make sure this, well, do that again, that you can actually see that the keyboard can actually come out of the way. Alright, there you go. Right, if you notice right here, that's why it's not showing on the second screen. Right, it's a PC only. So if you notice right here, now what if I click right here and duplicate, it will show both on the computer screen and whatever screen you have it on. But when I show extending right here, it also show up on both screen. You can actually drag something from the screen over to the next one. This one, second screen only. So instead you plug it in, it actually show right up on the computer screen and all of that. Alright, so in order to reach it, you press the Windows key, which is right here, and the P together. Then you get it, you can select the one that you really want so far. So it's up to you which one you really want. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.